Hi guys, it's Jitterbug Toys Fun, and today I have LOLs to share with you. So, let's get started. First, I have 2 hair goals and 1 winter disco glitter globe. First, let's do a hair goal. I really hope I could actually get the zipper on this one, because usually with LOLs you can't really get the zipper. Okay, I end up going that way. I basically got the zipper. Now, that was easy. So let's see the clue on this. Somewhere around here. It had to have fallen off. Maybe I'll find it once we keep going. Here's the next zipper. That one didn't want to work either. Oh my gosh. Here is one of the things, but I don't really need that. Here's the mirror. And if you're new to these, here are the stickers. I'm trying to get them with the camera. Here are the stickers. There's a cute little pink bow, some blue flowers, a whole heart that's white, and a whole heart that's white, and a black heart that's broken, and this little lightning strike. Oh! Right when I picked it up, like this, it popped open, and up came a blind bag. Let's see. Ooh. Of course, the very first blind bag you get is boring. Little carrying thing. And the little stand for the dolls. Oh, come on. Oh, I got it. Here's the checklist. I believe this is wave 2. Twang, Metal Babe, Prom Princess, Tough Guy, MCNYC, Valley BB, Splits, Pins, EDM Baby, and Rainbow Raver. I really hope I get one of these 2, but they're all so cute. Here's the doll. I'm going to save her for last. I can see a little bit of pink hair right there. But here's one of the cute little blind bags. Oh, these better not be the shoes. Oh! I think I know who this is. It's so cute. I already know from one tiny cute little thing. This little collar. It's like more like a choker. Next, let's see what these are. The cute little boots. So this one is pink with a black bottom, and this one's black with a pink bottom. How cute. Next, this teeny little thing, because I could feel how tiny is it. It's this tiny little rubber bracelet. So cute though. Wow, she came with a lot of tiny accessories. Oh, I found the clue, and I believe it is Here it is. Let me see. Am I familiar with this one? Pixie cut? Let's turn it over and see. Yep, it's pixie cut. Woohoo, tasty. Woohoo, jitterbug. So, here's the outfit. It says baby, and then it's a really cute black and pink. This girl must really like black and pink, because every accessory I've gotten so far is black and pink. Let's get this little capsule. Here's the pink comb. And another one of these capsules. Here's the bottle, the really cute bottle. It's also black and pink. It's really cute. Okay. I think it's time for the big reveal. I knew it. She's so cute. This she's not actually a princess, but she is so cute. Look at this one. She's so much cuter than I thought she would be in person. Oh my gosh, she's so cute with that this little jelly suit off. Oh my gosh, look at her. I died. This is so cute. Her hair's kind of messy after being in that crazy trip in a little LOL container. But where did the stand go? I'm usually very organized, but somehow the stand decided to disappear, and now I just found it. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the cute little capsule right here. I gotta dress her. Okay, here's her really cute outfit. First, I'm gonna get this really cute shirt on. Usually my dad knows how to get these on, but I think I know it now. She's so adorable, and she's gonna be even cuter with this outfit on. Why isn't this LOL shirt going on her? Come on. Darn flies. I think I might have to... Oh, you know what? Let's see. I'll be right back, my cute little jitterbug fans. While my dad's getting back, first I gotta tell you something. If you comment your favorite color and your favorite movie, and I see it, you'll get a shout out if I see it. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I try to hurry. Now this really cute skirt of hers. Okay, let's see if I could get her skirt on even. I'm usually good with this skirt. There we go. I wonder who she is. Now let's get her cute little boots on. This one is left, so this one. And this one's right. See if I could get her on. There we go. She's rocking this look. I'm probably gonna come get her sometime. But here it is. She is. Head to toe. So cute. Now let's see the checklist. We got this one right here. So we got Metal Babe. She's so cute. Now, let's comb her hair with this cute little tiny comb. Okay. Keep on going, keep on going. Alright, we got Metal Babe's hair fixed. Let's put this really cute little choker necklace thing on her now.
I bet they're too busy, so last minute for them to get away. They would have, it would have been nice, but we would have heard from them by now. You know what I mean?
You're so cute, Metal Babe. So, let me get her little bracelet on now. There we go, Metal Babe. Okay, Metal Babe is so cute. She's the cutest, LOL. Unless there might be a cuter one. So she is in the Opposites Club. She's really cute. Metal Babe. So there's Metal Babe. Let's clean this up a little, and then we'll get to the next LOL. So, so I don't lose her, I'm gonna put her in this cute little capsule right there, and close her up. And there's Metal Babe. You're right there, Metal Babe. Here's the little plastic thing she came in. 2 capsules, sorry. Her comb and her cute little bottle. Put that on. And all the trash is gonna go over here. Whoa. Her little jelly suit she came in. And that was about it. Okay, next, the next hair goals LOL. This one kind of zipped. It zipped about halfway. Yes, I got this one in 2 zip thingies. Now I could peel it nicely so I could find little things. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Darn it. Okay. Keep on going. Keep on going. Okay, we got another pixie cut. I hope I don't get a duplicate. Some more stickers. Another mirror. Another little thing. Let's get this popped up. Now, I'll be right back. Okay. There's some more chains in here, so I don't really want it, but you know, here's another stand. Okay, I just found this other cute little cuff, so that means Metal Babe has another cuff that I missed, so I'll just put that right there by her for now. Now, next, gotta spray some perfume around, or hairspray. Okay, just kidding. Now we're gonna open this beauty. Here's another checklist, the other doll, and we're starting with this display on bag. Ooh, so this one has really cute black sunglasses. Next, ooh, these really cute little shoes. They're black and white. I mean, they're red and white. They're super duper cute. Next, the super cute blind bag. Okay, just kidding. Here's the outfit. The bottoms came off. Here's the outfit. Put that there. And the first capsule is, of course, a comb, a black comb. A clear bottle? I've never seen anything like it. So this is a really cool bottle because it's clear. So I love this. Organizing again. You know, staying organized. Next, I think it's time for the doll. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I feel right now. This is crazy. I actually got a boy. Oh my gosh. He's wearing pink. Huh. It's weird, but okay. Boy's gonna wear pink. It's cute. She has a cute little tattoo. So here are his tattoos. The first one says Mom with a little heart under it. Then it's a little dice. They're tiny, teeny tiny, so you can't see them. But do you see his hair? And he has a little thing. So let's get him dressed. Okay, let's get your pants on first. He has jeans, I think. Those are jeans. Another one of these darn shirts. So. Okay, so I'm gonna go give my dad this shirt again. Once I come back, we're gonna do a quiz. Okay, so for this quiz, ready? So the first one is, who is the best bug that flies around? Jitterbug. Okay, next let's get Tough Boy's shoes on. This one's right. Swoop that hair up. Okay. Let's get these cool sunglasses on. Oh yeah, tough guy, you're rocking it. So here's tough guy, all dressed up. So let's get him all cleaned up now. So let's get stand right here. Let's put his stand right there. Let's put him in his stand. That's backwards. Let me flip it. This stand doesn't fit him. Well, it doesn't want to fit him. Close him up. Put him right there. The suit he came in. The plastic cover he came in. The comb. Let me see this. The two little capsules that you curl your hair with, whatever. And his bottle. The last LOL of the night is the winter disco. I've never opened one of these. So I hope I get good luck and I get a good one. The zipper worked right. So the very first thing when you open it, you see this, it's basically snow glitter. And then my clue is groove into the jingle bells. Second zipper did not work for me, but that's okay. It's going a long way still. Okay. Then once you open it, you could actually see it basically snow. And then I just now opened it, and right when I opened it, this big ball came out. And then there's this little LOL surprise capsule thingy, and it has movable like glitter in it. Super cool. Then the other half is just, Let me get these stickers off. Getting stickers off something is not very fun. I'm just gonna leave that little piece. Okay. Okay. So the first thing when I got the ball was this big thing, and I'm gonna see if it's the doll or not, because I don't want to open the doll straight up. Yes, so this is the doll. There's like a bunch of surprises. These are glitter globes, by the way. So the first surprise oh my gosh, it's this cute little LOL cotton candy. That is so cute. The next thing is this Chicken Little bag. So, what's in this bag? OMG! Those shoes are so stinking cute. I love them. They might even be slippers. I think this is the outfit. No, it's the bottle, the sparkly bottle. It's sparkly red. I don't know if you can see that. Next, I think this is the outfit. Yes, it is. I want that. It's so cute. Do you see that? So cute. Oh, that's weird. It's a clear stand. That's cool. The LOL doll. I can't wait. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. I believe Cookie Swirl got her too. So I don't know if you could see her hair right now, but her hair has glitter in it, and it actually melts. And then she's blowing a bubble. You could twist it. I don't know if it's gonna come out, and I don't want to risk that. Then she has this really cute little socks. I love her. So, let's get her dressed. First, her dress. Her dress is so stinking cute. I love it. I love her. I love it. It's perfect. Okay. It's a dress, but still gives me struggles. Okay, let's see if I can get this on you. Okay, this is a struggle. As you can see, this one doesn't want to come on at all. I don't know how my dad does this. It's so hard and complicated. But somehow I'm about to do it. Yes, I got it. Okay, I got her darn stinking cute dress on. It's so cute. Now I got these really cute little slipper shoes. Her cute little bottle. I think you could kind of see it. And I think I'm gonna give her candy. Not candy. Cotton candy. There we go. It's kind of soggy on her, but that's okay. I think she just matters if she eats it. So cute. This is like the cutest. No offense to other LOLs, but I'm just gonna well, there's no place to put her stand. If you know where to put her stand, comment below. Could be anywhere. Now that I don't. I have no clue. Where did her stand go? Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Let's stand. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wish I had this. I wish I had her stuff. It's so cute. I wish I had her hair. I wish her eyes. I don't know if I just noticed her eyes. She's so beautiful. Here she is. And let's see who this one is. I got Grim and BB. They're so cute. So, yeah, I got Dream and BB. He's so cute.
We have to go. Can I talk to him? Do you want to go to town to go to a wedding? Or do you want to stay?
I'm almost done, actually. I'm basically all done. Yeah.
Just finish it.
Okay, guys. So this is so stinking cute. Remember, if you comment down your favorite color and your favorite movie, the next video, I have a chance of giving you a shout out. Make sure you comment. And just a little reminder. And if you subscribe, thank you so much. And just a review for the hair goals. I think this is wave 2. For the hair goals, I got Metal Babe and Tough Guy. And for the Winter Disco, I got Dream and Baby. Okay. Wow. You really do this Jitterbug Toys fun. Anyway, just if you didn't remember this trivia question, I'm going to ask you one more time. Who's the best bug? Jitterbug! So, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for watching. And I love you guys. Bye.